Well, a hearty good morning to you folks. Got up early to come and see the sunrise. Had an absolute amazing sleep last night. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. And I've been out here since about 5:30, just enjoying that sunrise. So hopefully you enjoy the sunrise. We've done a bit of a time lapse. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully it's come out and you'll see that, and then we'll carry on with the rest of the day. So for the most part, I'm not really a morning person. But when I come camping and out in nature, it's absolutely beautiful being able to enjoy these early morning hours all by myself, just exploring nature. The sun's behind the clouds at the moment, but I'm enjoying this nature, man. Love hearing the sound of the waterfall and the water by the stream here, and then having this beautiful scenery to explore. Look at all these purple flowers growing here. They're actually a weed, I think, but they make quite a nice scene along the river here. So while we're walking around here, we're also just admiring some of these amazing trees they've got here. Some of them are real old, and they are very interesting in the way they grow. Obviously with some of the soil erosion, you can see a lot of the roots and that kind of thing on some of them. But there is so much to explore. I love being out here all by myself so early in the morning. Right, well, let's get on exploring here. So my peace and quiet has been disturbed by the guys cleaning up the picnic spot. But that's absolutely fine. It's great to see them cleaning up the picnic spot, especially after all those people that were here yesterday. So it's good to see that they're cleaning it up quite quick and easy, well, quite quickly. But we can still explore, just don't mind the sound of the big tractor behind us. Let's see if we can show you the thing that they're using to collect all the rubbish and everything with. Hi. So you can see the little thing that they're using there to collect all the rubbish with. So we're back up on the rocky section up here by the waterfall. We were down at the picnic area now, but we're up here now just exploring some of the plant life here. And some of the rocks has got a lot of lichen and moss on it. It's almost like artists or painters got hold of them. Anyway, let's go and explore some of that. Folks, we're all showered up and ready for breakfast. I tried to make toast with this funny little toaster thing, but it's not really working. I think it's too big and it's making everything else. We're just going to do toast on the pan, and then we're going to have bacon and egg. So let's see how all of that goes. Already got the toast on here, starting to look good. We tried earlier on with the other funny toaster, that didn't work out, so we're just doing it in the pan on here. Put that aside and then we'll do all the bacon and everything in one pan. It's going to be delicious. Let's listen to the sounds of nature while we're cooking out here. Okay, so we're frying up that bacon, and then we're going to add the egg into this and just make scrambled eggs that we'll put onto our toast. As you can see, I'm working with a spoon because we had an incident with the spatula earlier on. The spatula broke yesterday. The wind blew everything over and the spatula somehow just snapped in half, so we're just doing everything now with spoon. Works just as well. Struggled so much with the eggs in the last video. I'm just going to do scrambled eggs this time. Breakfast time. We've got that toast that we made with the bacon and egg. I've got to eat quick because there's some flies around. We haven't had problems with any insects the whole weekend. Now there's flies around. But anyway, let's try this and see what it tastes like. Nice, it tastes like memories. Whenever I used to go camping with my parents as kids and my family, this was one of the staple breakfasts. Scrambled egg with bacon in it, or vihannas or anything like that. But this is delicious. Well, we're going to finish this in peace and we'll probably go down to the waterfall after that. See you later. I don't know if you can hear my voice over the waterfall here, but yes, this is the little spot where I'm spending at today. Just look over there, that's where I'm spending the day. That's where I put my towel and everything, and I'm just spending the day in between the rocks and the waterfall here under the waterfall. That's, you can hear me with this noise. So over there, that's where all our kids are, that's where we're spending the day. There's quite a lot of people around again this afternoon. Not as many as yesterday, but a lot of people coming to enjoy this. Well, that was a gorgeous afternoon spent in and around the rocks and in and around the water, under the waterfall. beautiful. But it's time to go and see what Bev's up to. She's finished with her work and maybe if there's something to eat, otherwise we'll just have an early supper. I think for the night before supper is going to be horse. I'm not sure what's going to go with the horse, but she didn't bring much. So yeah, we can probably have horse and salad. Let's go and see what there is. Let's go. So we've lit the braai fire already. And me and Bev just come for a walk along the riverbank here. It is so stunning, this place. It is absolutely massive. The picnic spot stretches for miles, so it can host a lot of people. That's why when it was so busy yesterday, it didn't feel that busy. But yes, we're just going for an afternoon walk. You see the sun's busy going down behind us. And look at this strange bridge that we've just found that you cross to get in here. Just look at this massive piece of rock here. We've come to the fence line, so we've now walked the whole length of this property. But it's absolutely beautiful here. Just look at the stream behind me here. How gorgeous is that? You can hear the water going. Beautiful. Again, it's a gem of a place, this. Especially late afternoons when there's pretty much nobody around, then you can enjoy it for yourself even better. Beautiful how the sun is just catching the trees this late afternoon when you're in the valley here. Fireworks. We've got the fires lit. Tonight we're having boerewors and some salad. Well, there we go, folks. Supper time. We've got our wors and our salad. That's what we're having for supper tonight. So we're going to enjoy this. If anything interesting happens, we'll share that. Otherwise, we'll probably see you in the morning. Morning, folks. I'm probably looking a bit rough. Tried to get up early for a sunrise, but it was so overcast and clouded that there was really nothing of a sunrise. So I'm still doing a bit of a time lapse just to see the changing of the clouds, the colors there. But other than that, there wasn't much of a sunrise. Today is our last day, so we're probably going to be packing up shortly when Bev wakes up. So we'll show you a bit of our packing up, and then we're going to be heading off back to home. That was the end of our little trip. Now this was an absolutely spectacular weekend we had here at NKWE Resort. How beautiful was this? Being able to dive off the cliffs like that, being able to swim under a waterfall, and of course the campsite itself was actually nice and quiet. Very, very relaxing to be here for this couple of days. If you like this kind of videos and like to come and explore with us, then please give this video a like. If you can give us a subscribe, that will be fantastic. Give us a comment below if you've got a van, if you want to get a van, if you like camping, comment below. Send us some pics of what your camping rig looks like. So in the next video, we're probably from here going to go to Cullinan, quickly go and see what Cullinan is like. So maybe in the next video we'll show you a bit of Cullinan, and after that we've got one getaway planned that we'll show you a little bit of that. Like I said, it's something that's close to our heart, so we'll show you that in one of our upcoming videos. But anyway, like always, get out there, go and explore the sunshine for yourself. See you in the next one. Cheers. No, we must turn left or right.